Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
In last lecture, we have learned about the services, what is services, and to play background music in services means normal services we have learned. Now it's a time to learn a bind services in Android Studio. So what is bind services? Actually, bind services means the services link with any activity or maybe link with service to service, maybe link with content provider. Means the service is providing a data back to the activity or to another services. So we are using a services for getting a data back. So here I'm using a services that will return a random number. When I click on this button, get random number, it will generate a random number that will come here in text view. I will click on start services and stop services to start and stop a service. This is an interface and we have linked the object of these things also in this file. So first of all we have to take a service. So right click on this and go to new, then go to services, take new services. The name of the service is my services, finish. So like this we have the services and we have a on bind method also. We have to make a code in this particular function. So we are making a comment of this. Now we have to make some coding to generate a random number. For that we are taking a random class. Okay, object of random class. Now we are creating a one class also, that is be my binder, that will that will extend the binder object. This binder object we need. So this will extend the binder class. And in this class what we do, we will make a function, public function, that will return the address of the service. Name of the function is get service, and here we will return my service dot this, the object of the current service. Okay, now we have to create the object of this class, my binder, equal to new my binder, and here we have to return the object of that binder, like this. Now we have to create a one more method also, that will generate a random number. So here we will get a number method, public method, that will return an integer value. Function name is get random number. This function will return random dot next int, and limit of number is 100. So this way this class is ready for generating a random number. This service is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to link with this activity. So for linking, first of all we need to start the services. So we have a start services button, then link with this find view by id r dot id dot button start service, then stop service, btn stop service, then random, then get random number button, this one, then text view, number, like this. Then what we have to do, we have to start services. So start service dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Here we have to start a services. So intent is already defined in above. Here we have defined the intent. So here we are creating an intent for starting a services. Here get application context. Then we have to pass the my services dot class. Okay. Now in place of start services, we have to use bound services, bind services. Here we have to pass the object of the intent, and second one is a connection of service class. So we are passing here connection. Then third one is a flag, that is context dot bind auto create. So this is fixed bind auto create, and this is the object of the service connection class. We are going to create a class that will make a linking or binding between these two classes, services and activity. So for that we have to stop services also, stop services set on click listener, new on click listener. So what we have to do here, we have to unbind services connection. This connection we have to pass here, and we have to disable the flag also, check running equal to false, because this service have been stopped right now. Okay, this collection we have to create, or we have to create an object of my services also, like this. So now we have to make a coding of get random button also, and for service connection also. First of all, we have to create a one class, inner class is called service my service connection equal to implement interface service connection. This interface we have to implement, and we have to create implement the object methods also. Two method we have to override. This is for making a connection between services and interface. So here we have to make a services. For that, my service dot my binder, and my binder we are creating object here, and that will be I binder. Then we have to cast also this way. Now we have to get the object of my services. So my services equal to my binder dot get service. So this object we want to, and we want to make a running object to true, because it is running. Now here we have to make this check object to false. If connection is not established, then this should be false. Okay, now we have to pass the object of this class here. So what we are doing, we are creating a my connection, my service connection. Object is equal to new my service connection. So this is we are passing here. It is saying this should be final, so we are creating a final. Okay, so now this is done, and what we have to do, we have to now display random number. For that, we have to make a coding of random number also. So we are saying here get random number dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we have to get a random number if running status. If check running status is true, then we have to get the number in number dot set text, and here we have to pass the value of class my service dot get random number function, which we have created. So this object of services, from here we get, and we are calling this function to return the random number in this activity. This is all about the coding. Now we are checking it is behaving like this or not. Just see the output. Start. Now you see the output when I click on start. When I'm clicking random number, there is no random number because services stop right now. When I click on start services, then it will generate a random number from using services. If I stop service, then it would not generate any random number. You see, when I start again, it will generate again random number. I stop it, then no random number. So like this, we can bind a services with the activity, and this is called bound services. That's all right now. See you again in next lectures. Bye.